Hello, what's up YouTube? And today I'm going to show, uh, sorry, today I'm going to show how to create an application aware security policy rules and enable the application block page for block applications. And then we have to text that application blocking with different application and then find the categories that match to the signature with web browsing. So I'm gonna set it up. I need one firewall, that is a bucket firewall, and this one is one Palo Alto firewall. And then I'm gonna take Kali Linux 2021, and here is like 2021 too. I need two Kali Linux. This one's gonna be the Entra zone. This one is gonna be inside, and I need the internet, and I need a web 10 for the management. That is our topology, and let's connect it. So inside Kali connected to the Ethernet 1/1, and interested Kali Linux connected to Ethernet 1/3, and 1/2 connected to the internet. And this web 10 is management. All right, now let's get. So we have to assign the IP address. So for the internet, that's gonna be the DHCP. This zone is inside zone. Inside zone is gonna be 192.168.10.1/24. 192.168.10.1/24. Management zone is 192.168.1/1.1/24. They also like different subnets, so 192.168.1.2/24. And this one is 192 dot, oh sorry, this one should be 172.16.10.1/24. 1/2. So configure to the web 10 with the static IP. One slash two. It's gonna be 1/1. Save it, apply OK. So everything is on. Go to that. We have to create a zone. So this one is one zone. This one is one zone. This one's gonna be one zone. That is outside for the internet. This one, sorry, this one is inside. This one is interest zone. So interest, that is our topology. Inside, outside, and interest. Okay guys, got it? Learn Kali. I'm gonna run the Kali because I need to assign the IP address to the Kali too. So after that, we're gonna configure to firewall. I don't know which one is which one. All right, let's see. When the Kali is on, probably this Kali is this one. We don't have the connection to the firewall, and then that's why we have to assign the IP address. So we can assign the IP address from the terminal, but like I just want to show it from the UI. So just go to the IPv4 and set manual and add 192.168.10.1. Oh, sorry, 10.2 is 24 and 192.168.10.1. That's gonna be default gateway, and then it has the DNS 8.8.8. So let's connect that and connect it. So we have it, right? This one is this Kali. I just want to double check if config. Here is like we already assigned the IP, that is broadcast IP, and we have to assign another Kali. So just go to the edit connection and while connection IP4 set manual is 172.16.10.2 is /24 and 172.16.10.1. Save it. It's also like disconnect that and connect that. We have the IP, fconfig. Here we go. We have the IP address. So yeah, everything looks good now. So we have to configure the firewall. So go to the firewall. Why can't we do that? I think in this computer, mobile H10 has now we got a mobile H10. So I'm gonna configure the mobile H10. Firewall. So default password. Default password and new password. Now we are in the like firewall, so we can configure the firewall configuration. So I assigned the DHCP in here, right? That is DHCP. This one is in internal, inside, outside, and entrance zone. So we have 3 zones. So I'm gonna configure the management first. So configure, set price, configure system, system type is static, set device config, system type, system IP at 192.168.10. Oh, sorry, 1.1. The mask is 24. So 255.255. So commit. After commit, like we can go to the button if config. Yeah, so after commit, I can log into firewall UI. Let me see. It's still cooking. It's almost done. When we deal with the firewall, like we have to be a little bit patient, you know. That is security stuff. So and then advanced, accept the risks and continue. Admin. Then we can log into the firewall. So we have to assign the IP address on the firewall. So on these interface, we just only finish uh, the assignments of like IP address in here management. So we have to assign the IP in the other different interface. So go to the network and click Internet 1/1. Internet 1/1 is layer 3. We just like to work as a layer 3 for the interface type, and router is gonna be default. Security zone is 1/1 is in the inside, right? So we work assign as a INSID inside. Okay, and we have to assign the IP. Oh, sorry, we have to assign the IP. IP is 192.168.10.1/24. IPv6 and events, we don't need it, so okay. Then we have the IP address. And Ethernet 1/2 is outside, so type is layer 3 and route is as a default route. Security zone is gonna be outside. OUTSIDE outside. Okay. And IPv4 is the DHCP client, so we have the DHCP. So 1/3, we also have to assign the entrance zone. So go to the 1/3 and then type is layer 3 and default route zone is entrance. USD trace entrance. Okay. And then IPv4, we just have to assign 172.16.10.1/24. This entrance zone. Okay. So after that, I'm gonna commit it. and commit it. These firewall can create a virtual router. So like we don't after we bought one firewall, we don't even need a router. That is pretty cool. So now we have a default gateway and assign the IP address here. So it's good enough. And then just go to the virtual router and we have to create a static route. So just go to the default and static route. We'll assign the static route to get the internet. So it's static static route. We want to go to the internet. So 0.0.0/0, and interface gonna be is 1/2. Then the top IP is 192.168.122.1, right? Hopefully I'm right. So click OK, and we have the static route now. Yeah, we have the static route, right? Go to the static and we have it. So after we create the static route, and we have to assign the policy, cause like we don't want to accept the application from website, and we just want to block the page. So we have to assign the security policy to block and access from the web page. So from the firewall to get access to that web page. So go to the policy, and security policy is I just want to first of all I just want to allow the Facebook allow Facebook source is from the inside. From inside, we just want the Facebook from the internet. So inside, destination is gonna be outside, inside, outside. And then in the application, we have to deal with the application. So we gonna put like TNS. We just want it TNS, and then from the web page also like SSL, and then we just want to allow the Facebook. So Facebook base. It's pretty cool. And then services, we still don't have the services now, so just let it be. And the action, we just want to see the log. So click OK. We already assigned the log Facebook. So from these internal devices, we just want to get the internet, and we have to go through this firewall. In that firewall, we have the router. That router have to translate these local IP address to get access to the internet from for the public IP address. So we have to create the net. So that's gonna be access so net. So as net, original packages from inside and destination packages is outside. And then go to the translation package, and we have to translate the IP address, right? So interface address from 1/2. Oh no, in 1/2. So IP address in NAND. Click OK. Now we assign the security policy and then net, and then go to the device. We have to enable the application block page. If we don't enable the application block page, it's gonna the policy won't apply on the firewall. So just go to the devices and response page, and here look at the application block page. It's disabled, so we have to enable it. Then commit. After commit it, and I think we can access the Facebook from the web page, but we can't see ping. So let's see. Almost done. For the commission, it's pretty bad. That is an information security, so yeah, hopefully it's gonna work for you guys. And then I'm gonna go to the Kali Linux from the inside. So Kali, go to the web page. Facebook. Sorry, here is Facebook. What? Why? See the 10.10, 10.10. Oh, now what? The virtual router is also good. The virtual router. 1.2.1.1. Interface. 1.2.1.1. This is 16.10. Policy. IP address. Allow the visual policy from the inside, outside application. We went session allow. Okay. And that. Slash good. Outside service. Service defined. Should be okay. Why not? Let's see it. Facebook. Ah, yeah. Finally, we got it. Like Facebook. See? So I'm gonna go to google.com. You see the application block. Cause I didn't assign to accept the Google application, so we don't get it. So you can go to the YouTube, and this one is also gonna be the application block, whatever it is. Like you don't accept it, and then you cannot ping to, let's see, ping 8.8.8.8. so you cannot ping it. I'm gonna put it just like that and just wait for me, and then I'm gonna assign the policy to accept the ping, and then you will see the magic trick. So we'll do the allow Facebook, and then in the application I'm gonna assign ping here and click OK and commit. Let's see what's gonna happen after finish the commission. Just wait and see. It's almost done now, and then it's finished. And then like see, we got a ping. That's pretty cool, right? So yeah, and then we will assign the DNet to get access the SSH from the entrance. First of all, I just want to pass it. Alright, so we got a ping. Now I just want to create a DNet. DNet is like not really simple like the sourcenet, and we just have to create a policy as well. So first of all, I just want to create a DNet first. So DNet from entrance to, I just want to go to inside. Oh, sorry, I just want to go to entrance to entrance, and destination address gonna be the static IP. I just have to assign the IP address of 192.168.10.1, 10.2, cause like just want to go to the inside device. So, or it's gonna be 22. That is DNet. Click OK and go to the security. We have to assign the security for the DNet. So add genre is SSH from entrance to inside. Application is SSH. Oh, sorry. SSH. And I just want to put a ping to ping. Service, okay, action is like I just want to see the dot. Hopefully it looks good. And then yeah. We got it. So I'm gonna commit it. And then like we also need to enable the SSH service in Kali, inside Kali. So service SSH enable. Oh, sorry, it's start. Alright, so SSH is on, and DNS mismatch the configuration. So we'll do the DNet. gonna be inside. Okay, and commit. Let's see what's wrong. This interest Kali. Okay. Mismatch the destination address translation range between original translated. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Totally sorry. Yeah. Do it has to be like this, you know? When we create a DNet, let's see. Here is a like general DNet, right? I put the name and then our package has to be the interest and interest. So zone has to be interest and destination zone should be the interest either because like interest connected to this internet device, but we have to go through the firewall. So like we just only have to assign the IP interface of the firewall. So it is connected to this interface. This interface translated the package from the inside. This interface translates the package from the inside, and this device is connected to the interface. So like this device can access the package from this inside zone. Something like that. So generate is net, original packages interest, original packages from interest to interest, and then we have to assign the IP address. So destination address should be there. This interface IP address is 192.168.10.1 here, and translated package is we created DNet, so we have the destination address translation. So that destination address is internet IP address here. We just want to translate the port 22 is SSH. So click OK. After click N, you have to commit it. After commit it, you can go to the interest Kali Linux. So clear SSH Kali at 172.16.10.1. That is a interface of firewall. IP address of firewall for outside interface. So just connect it. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I just connected immediately, but like, why? SSH Kali at 172.16.10.1. See? And password. We got a SSH copyright in here. So that's it for the creation of our TNet and SNet, and then like we just we just assign the policy and we just block the application, web application such as Facebook, Google, and we accept the ping or something like that. So that's pretty cool, right? So hopefully you guys enjoy. So see you in the next video.